Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to automate your Google Sheet to take screenshots at various intervals and automatically send them to your Gmail account. This can be useful if you want to keep a track of changes in your Google Sheet over time, or if you want to monitor data that's constantly being updated. So in this, the use case here is this is a Google Sheet and this might be getting updated at regular intervals. Say, for example, maybe it might be getting updated at 1 p.m. and maybe after that it's getting updated at 2 p.m. Like on several fixed intervals of time, this is getting updated. And whenever this is getting updated, what your supervisor he might be saying to share a screenshot of this particular area, and maybe he wants you to update this particular screenshot into a group where maybe many other stakeholders are present. So every time, like, you have to open your laptop, come back to the sheet, and you have to make a hourly screenshot and then post in a WhatsApp group or somewhere. So maybe at times it might feel a little bit overwhelming or hectic. So in this scenarios, what you can do is I have made a script for this, and Google Sheets supports scripts. So what you can do is go to extensions and click on app scripts, which will open up another window, and in that particular window we can paste scripts. So this is a script which I have made, and what the script is basically doing is this is actually taking a screenshot and sending an email to this email ID, and the subject of this email ID, subject of this particular email will be this, and body will be this. Please see the attached PDF of Google Sheet. So you can actually customize this, like maybe subject you can change, everything you can change. So all you have to do is just hit on run, and you can see now there is no mail here and we have already done, and execution started and execution is completed. This hardly take few seconds. And if you refresh your mailbox, you can see there's a new PDF. There's a new mail which was generated by that script, and if you open it, it is having a PDF. So this PDF will have all the data which was present here in this Google Sheet. So if you zoom in a bit more, you can see that this is very crisp and clear. There is no data loss or anything. It is very clear. So you can simply take a screenshot and post it on your group. You can, if you have the Gmail application installed on your mobile device, you can take a screenshot directly from there, and you can publish in the WhatsApp group, which is more easy. And so you'll have a doubt like, do I have to run this every hour? Then what is the use? How is it automating? So I'll tell you. So down at the next, there is an option called triggers. If we hit on triggers, it will open up another window where on the right hand side bottom, there's an option called add trigger. Just click on add trigger, and sorry, from event source, you have to select time driven. And from time driven, we have the option like we can have a hourly timer or minutes timer, like whatever is your requirement, you can select that. If you hit on hourly timer, you can select interval as 1 hour, or like how like it depends on what is the thing, like what you're actually planning to do. So if I hit on minutes timer and say for example maybe 10 minutes and hit on save. So what will happen here is when you made a trigger, yeah. So you can see that here there's a trigger and the function. What this function will do is um, this will every 10 minutes this will ask this will execute this particular script every 10 minutes. So what's happening in the background, this will go back to the sheet and check what all data is updated here. It will take a screenshot and it will send to this email ID, like how it was, like how it came earlier. Yeah, that's it. So it's pretty simple. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.